Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing how to maximize your affiliate marketing earnings with some tips and tricks. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. But, it can be challenging to make a substantial amount of money without the right strategies in place. So, let's dive into some tips and tricks that can help you increase your earnings. Tip number 1, choose the right products. Tip number 1 is to choose the right products. You want to select products that are relevant to your audience and have high demand. It's also essential to choose products with a high commission rate, so you can earn more for each sale. Tip number 2, build trust with your audience. Tip number 2 is to build trust with your audience. People are more likely to make a purchase if they trust the person recommending the product. So, it's crucial to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and provide honest reviews of the products you promote. Tip number 3, promote your products effectively. Tip number 3 is to promote your products effectively. You want to use various marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, and paid advertising, to reach your target audience. It's also essential to create compelling content that showcases the benefits of the product and encourages people to take action. Tip number 4, analyze your results. Tip number 4 is to analyze your results. You want to track your earnings and conversion rates for each product you promote. This data can help you identify which products are performing well and which ones need improvement. You can then adjust your strategies accordingly to maximize your earnings. And there you have it, some tips and tricks for maximizing your affiliate marketing earnings. But wait, there's more. If you're ready to take your online business to the next level, I highly recommend checking out our recommended online business app. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your affiliate marketing efforts, provide valuable insights, and help you scale your business. Find the link to the app in the video description below and start supercharging your affiliate marketing journey today. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time.